Chabol. Saka maramdaman ni Maymay na komportable siya sa pupuntahan niya.
Nico,
Yes po.
kunwari, customer mo si Edward.
Si Edward po.
Paano mo siya pakikitunguhan?
Sige po.
How will
Sige.
he
Treat you.
treat you?
So, di mo tatagal. Si Maymay na lang, kuya.
Kring, kring, kring.
Hi, good morning, sir. Hi po, good morning. Yes po. What do you want, sir? What do you need?
Trim on the hair.
Trim, okay, sir. You can sit now here. Sir, you want pedicure, sir? I'll call the pediatrician. At kaya ba yung pediatrician? I'll call the pedicurista. You want?
Yes.
Okay. This is your first time to go to the salon in the Philippines, sir?
Yes.
I will leave your dead nails.
Dead nail?
Remove. Put another pit.
Okay.
Gusto niya rin dun kung paano mag-hairstyling, mag-blower, mag-plancha. Tinuruan niyo po kami.